your shoes?
Yeah!
Can you tie them tight?
Yeah!
Mom and Dad will help you now. Everybody sing it right. First we cross the laces, give a little tug. Pull them through the middle, nice and snug. Snug, snug, make a bunny ear. Hold it in your hand, wrap the other lace around just like we planned. Tie your shoelaces, 1, 2, 3. Sing and learn along with me. Loop and pull, then pull once more. Now you're ready for the floor. Tie your shoelaces, 1, 2, 3. Mom and Dad and you and me. Jump, jump, stomp the ground. Shoes tie, tie, we dance around. Can you make 2 bunnies, one on either side? Twist them round together like they're going for a ride. Push one ear right through the hole, pinch it, don't let go. Grab both ears and pull them tight.
Ready, set, let's go!
Can you hop on one foot?
Hop, hop,
Can you spin around?
around.
Shoes stay on, they don't fall off. Laces safe and sound. Can you run in circles? Race from wall to door.